Alright, this is the Nerf Rebel Ops DeadEye. Alright, nice to meet you too. Okay. And as I recall from the video, because I watch things, is that... Let's see. There we go. Okay, so the big question for me is, and I'm sure you've heard this already, is this where Nerf is going forward?
I think it's a separate, Rebel Ops is kind of a separate entity. Yeah. Like that.
Well, I do want to fire it. Because I saw it, I think it did occur to me right away that the Doom cannon is like multi-shot per chamber.
3 darts.